How to create Google Cloud account without credit card. So if you want to create a Google Cloud account without credit card, then let's see if it's possible or not. First, you need to go with Google Cloud. Go with Start Free, which is on the top right. And from here, you need to enter the country. And after that, go with Agree and Continue. And the second step is your payment information. So you need to go with create new payment profiles, and then you need to add your payment method because it's the step. You'll have two steps while creating your Google Cloud account. The first one is your location. The second one is your payment profile. Without your payment profile or without your credit card, you won't be able to create your account. It's not possible. So to have access to all of your Google Cloud products, you need to um, use your credit card. Without that, you won't be able to recover your or create your Google Cloud account. So that's it. You need a credit card. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.